자, 여러분들 재밌게 보고 있을 거라 믿습니다. 재밌으면 여러분들 구독 한 번씩만 부탁드릴게요. 点赞收藏谢谢. 사람들 머리 위에 나 영어 할 줄 알아요 라고 딱 떠있으면 좋겠다. 안녕하세요. 한국 분이시죠?
I'm not speak Korean.
Where are you from?
I am from Vietnam.
Are you from Vietnam?
Yeah.
I'm from Korea.
Yeah.
I thought you are Korean. No.
No.
I'm Korean. I'm doing my live streaming. I'm a live streamer.
Okay.
I travel around the world.
Yeah.
And this is my first time in Vietnam.
Yeah.
Yeah. Where are you going now?
Yeah.
Where are you going now?
I will come back home now.
Come back home now?
Yeah.
Today is a Halloween day.
Yes.
Yeah.
Halloween.
You don't go another place?
Yeah, I go with my friend. We are finished and now I come back home.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
It's too early to go home, isn't it?
Because we are start too early at 6 p.m. So now because everybody at their house
You speak English good.
Thank you.
I talk to a lot of people, but nobody speak English.
Yeah, because I'm working in the hotel.
You work in the hotel? Which hotel?
Over there. Saigon Prince Hotel.
Saigon Prince Hotel.
Do you know?
I don't know.
You don't know.
I live in the Benton Tower.
Yeah, I see.
Yeah.
You go to Vietnam with your friend? Or
No, I'm alone.
just alone?
Yeah.
After that, you make a video and
Like a YouTuber. Yeah.
You have the YouTube
Yeah, I have my channel.
channel.
Yeah.
The internet.
I have YouTube channel. Also, I have the Africa TV. This is a Korean channel. Yeah. And now we have 3,000 people watching this now. Yeah.
So
I just travel, in Korea. I travel and like a travel show MC. Yeah, like that.
So many people, they say my face look like Korea.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, many people say you're beautiful. And when I saw you first time, I thought you are Korean. 나 한국 사람인 줄 알고 말 걸었거든. 나 한국 사람인 줄 알았어. 와, are you busy now?
Not
No?
busy,
Okay.
just come back.
Did you have dinner?
Yes, I have
You had dinner. You wanna go grab some coffee and have a talk?
Have a talk
Oh, yeah,
with
yeah.
your friend?
Yeah, with my viewers and with me, talk about Vietnam.
Talk about it.
Yeah.
Okay, where we come?
자, 여러분들,
I don't know.
here are many cafe, right? Maybe we can go there. 자, 섭외 됐습니다. 섭외 됐고요. 야, 진짜, 와, 깜짝 놀랐어.
감사합니다.
I thank you. Thank you. Cảm ơn.
That's right.
Cảm ơn. Yeah.
Speak a little Vietnamese.
Xin chào.
Xin chào.
Cảm ơn.
Another one.
Rất vui lọt nhập bài.
What?
Rất vui got nhập bài. Nice to meet you.
Anh
Rất vui lọt nhập bài.
rất vui gặp bạn. Rất vui gặp
Rất
bạn.
vui gặp bài.
Yeah.
Rất vui gặp bài.
Yeah. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Rất vui gặp bài. 야, 사람마다 발음이 다 틀린데? Do you like a Starbucks or Coffee Bean?
Yeah, maybe.
Coffee Bean? Yeah, it's from Korea. Yeah. 자, 커피빈 갑시다. 커피빈. 연세 다 필요 없어. 그냥 나랑 함께 한다는 게 중요한 거야. Order first.
Order first.
Yeah, okay. But here is no seat. No place to sit. Maybe change another cafe? 야, 자리가 없다. 이 친구 참하네. 이 친구 아주 참하네. 야, 몸매 비율이.
There behind there are so many coffee stores.
Behind there? Oh, let's go. Let's
You
go.
know this way?
No, I don't know. I don't know.
This is a short way. You can go anywhere behind this street.
Oh. Oh, this is like a. What is this street? This street name? What is this street?
No, just in this house. This house called the Saigon Garden House.
Garden house?
Yeah, garden house.
This is garden house.
Maybe 2 or 3 levels.
여기가 가든 하우스래. 여기 되게 예쁘다.
On first floor and second floor, they have so many restaurants and coffee.
야, 여기 조용하네. Yeah, here is good. 야, 여기는 바인가? You wanna sit inside? Here?
This is the same with us. This is the same. Uống
Same.
nước thôi chị. Uống nước thôi. Dạ, mình có thể ngồi ngoài. Dạ, uống nước ngồi. Dạ, drink coffee here.
Here? You sit there, okay? 좀 앉아서 뭐 한 개 마시자. 야. 여기 굉장히 고급진 곳 같은데 상관없어. 난 지금 혼자가 아니야.
I cannot understand.
I'm, now also have many new viewers coming in. So I'm explaining what is this situation. So hot in this country. So hot. 오신 분들 추천 한 번씩만 부탁드립니다. 얼마 만에 섭외된 거냐고요? 그냥 우리 말을 하지 맙시다. 그냥 감사하게 우리. Order anything you want. If you want to eat something, you can eat.
Yeah, I'm full.
You're full?
Yeah. Maybe I will go with
오케이, 각도 오케이. 좋았어.
Yeah. Would you like to drink?
Okay.
I have this one, fresh strawberry. Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
You want this?
Yeah.
Okay. I wanna.
There's so many alcohol or juice or something. Are you hurry? Are you hungry? How you did?
Hurry?
Did you
No.
have dinner yet?
Oh, not yet, but I'm not hungry. I'm
Not
not hungry.
hungry.
Yeah, I'm okay. I'm okay. You want this?
No. Fresh strawberry.
Strawberry, this one.
Yes.
I want this. And do you have fruit juice or something? Oh. I want a watermelon juice.
No more.
No more?
Especially our juice is by today because our restaurant is reviewed, so we don't make juice for you.
No juice now?
Yeah.
No juice now. You have tea?
Yeah, tea we have.
Okay. I want an Earl Grey.
Yes.
Earl Grey tea. Okay.
I love early too. Yeah.
Huh? Earl Grey.
Early tea.
Dạ, mà nóng hay lạnh đó chị?
Hot or cold?
Hot.
Yes.
Thank you. 좋았어. 난 차 시키고 이 친구는 주스 시키고요.
What did they say?
자, 여러분들, 이제 소통 좀 합시다.
I don't know.
Let me. 조금만 가까이 땡길게요. CM 팬님 또 100개 감사합니다. CM 팬님 100개 너무 고마워요.
What's his name?
They are so beautiful. Many people say you're beautiful.
감사합니다.
But you really not look like Vietnamese.
Yeah, I'm Vietnamese.
You're Vietnamese.
Yeah.
Have you ever go to abroad before?
No.
No?
Yeah.
You always live
Always live here.
live here.
Yeah.
Can I ask you how old are you?
24.
24.
Yeah.
What's your name?
My name is Gum.
Gum.
Yeah.
이름이 Gum이래요. 이름 Gum. My name is Clark.
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 C-L-A-R-K. Clark.
Yeah. Clark.
Clark. Gum. 이름이 Gum입니다. 이름이 Gum입니다. Many people say you beautiful and you
Thank
gorgeous.
you.
Oh.
Thank you so much.
Yeah. Actually, my job is travel around the world
Yeah.
and do like a reality show.
Oh, really?
Yeah. And this is my first time in Vietnam.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. But I wanna make new friend and try to talk something, but nobody can speak English.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. And nobody also can speak Korean also.
Yeah.
Yeah.
There's so many people, they are speak Japanese, they are speak Chinese, but just few people, they are
Yeah. You speak
Korean.
Chinese?
A little bit.
A little bit?
Yeah.
你会说中文吗？
不是，我是越南人。
我知道。你中文也会？
会一点。
在哪里学的？
在我的学校。
在你的学校？
Yeah. 4个月了。
4个月了。
4个月。
学习4个月了。
Yeah, 4个月.
잠깐만 이 친구 중국어까지 하는데? 이야 여러분들 조금 한답니다. 4개월 됐대요. 4개월. 학교에서 배웠대. 那你现在是学生？
不是，现在我做工作。
工作。
接待员。
接待员。哇，你学得很厉害。
谢谢你。
야, 이 중국어 잘하는데? 我在北京留过学。10年。
你是留学生？
我是韩国人。
韩国人。
在北京留学10年。以前。
我在越南学习。
你在越南学习中文？
中国。
哇，学得很棒。
maybe 昨年。Last year.
Last year.
When I was student.
When you were student. Last year you were student.
Yeah.
Now you graduate.
Yeah, graduate. 我毕业了。
毕业了。
毕业了。
那你上大学的时候，专业是什么
？Sorry, I can't.
What was your major?
Major.
What was your major when you were in university?
This is a major. Tourism.
Tourism. About tourism.
Yeah.
투어 쪽으로 전공했네.
Hotel, restaurant.
restaurant.
We can be the tour guide.
Tour guide. That's cool. 이게 뭐야?
This is some jam in Vietnam.
호텔 경영. 호텔
Yeah.
경영 맞네.
Taco. Sweet potato.
You try. You don't like it?
Yeah. I don't like it. Because we are eating more every day. We eat too much.
You eat every day?
Yeah, it's not strange.
맨날 먹는데 질린데. 관광학과네 맞네. I'm translating. 그러니까 이 친구가 작년까지만 해도 대학생이었대요. 대학생이었는데 그냥 뭐 학교에서 이제 졸업하고 지금 호텔에서 일을 하고 있고.
I hope I can understand the Korea.
근데 카메라가 좀 안 맞는다. 카메라가 좀 안 맞는다. 실물 되게 예쁜데. 카메라가 안 맞아.
I see there are the Vietnamese people, they are command. Yeah.
Some people use the translating tool and speak Vietnamese. 중국어도 할 줄 알고, 영어 할 줄 알고,
I know. They ask me, do you know kimchi? I know.
아, 김치. 아,
Yeah. Sometimes we are eat with noodle, Vietnamese with noodle. We will put some kimchi.
아, really?
Yeah.
베트남 국수에 요즘
Yeah.
김치가 들어간다는데? 베트남 쌀국수에 김치가 가끔씩 들어간대요. 야, 김치 세계화.
Ah.
와우. 야.
Halloween.
Halloween. Yeah, today's Halloween. You don't go anywhere for party? No?
No.
No?
Maybe we have some plan, but I don't know how about that because we are so busy.
Busy.
Yep.
Busy for work.
Yeah, because we are not stable for my job. It's we train the shift morning, evening, or afternoon every day. So I'm not sure.
No.
Yeah, when I have free time, my friends are busy. Yeah.
그냥 많이 바쁜가 봐. 얘가 프리 할 때는 친구들이 많이 바쁘고, 그러니까 뭐 같이 이렇게 파티할 시간도 없고 놀러 가는 시간도 없대. 집에 가는 길이었는데 내가 챈 거야. 집에 가는 길이었는데. 아, 힘들었다 진짜. Do you know about Korea?
I know some place, Busan.
No, 부산.
Busan sell
Seoul.
Jeju.
제주. Oh, you know Jeju?
This is volcano island. Yeah, it's so famous in the world.
Yeah, it's but how did you know about Korea?
I know we are magazine on TV, yeah, something like that.
You wanna go Korea someday? No? Why?
I think I will go to in the next time. I hope.
Someday.
Someday, yeah.
So
Someday in the future.
I'm asking you, you wanna go to Korea
Yeah,
someday?
I know. Yeah, I want.
You want?
Yeah, I love Korea food.
You love Korean food?
Yeah.
Really? I like Vietnamese food.
Oh yeah, because there are so many people. They are working and they are living in Korea. Yeah, I have two sisters. They are got married with the Korean men.
Really?
Yeah.
You have two sisters get married with Korean men.
Yeah.
Older sister? Younger sister?
Just cousin.
Cousin,
Yeah,
아.
cousin.
사촌 언니들이 2명이 한국 남자랑 결혼했대. 그래서 지금 한국에 있대요. You should get married with Korean man too.
Thank you. I don't know.
You don't know?
Yeah.
야.
Marry me.
Yeah. Many people say you're beautiful.
Thank you so much.
Many people here, maybe they really write or recommend. Or some
yeah.
people just, joking around.
Yeah, I know how to. Cousin, older sister. You are so smart. They say you.
They say you.
Not me.
No, nobody talk about me. They see me every day.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, but they, the first time see you, they all talk about you.
Yeah. The first time. Oh, when I working on this street boulevard, there are so many people make a video about me.
Make video about you?
Yeah, there are so many men.
Make video?
Yeah, video.
What video?
Or something like that.
Something like this?
Yeah, something like that. And just make them maybe for a memory like that.
Oh.
Their video.
They are like a shooting camera. to
Yeah,
you.
yeah.
But it's not live show. This
Yeah,
is live.
yeah.
It's live.
They ask me where you came from. I say I'm from Vietnam. They are not. No, your face look like China or Korea or
Yeah.
many.
야, 그런 얘기 많이 들어봤나 봐. 그러니까 얼굴이 베트남 얼굴은 아니었어. 한국 사람인가 아니면 중국 사람인가 하고 내가 확 다가갔는데 베트남 사람이야. I'm
There's,
translating.
yeah, there's some people from Vietnam. They are ask me, how can you speak Vietnamese? Where you came from? I say I'm Vietnamese too.
베트남 여자야, 베트남 여자. And you are tall.
Yeah, 168.
168. 여러분들 얘 키 168이야. 베트남에서 이 키 없어. 그러니까 그냥 눈에 확 튀었다니까? 그냥 길에서 그냥 얘밖에 안 보였어. 그래가지고 난 그냥 덮친 거예요, 여러분들. 뭔 말인지 알죠? 그냥 얘가 끝이다. 얘 놓치면 난 오늘 좆된다.
68.
168.
So tall. Thank you.
Do you like a Korean culture drama? You can drink. You can drink. Let's drink first. You can. 잠깐만 차 한 잔만 좀 할게요.
Just one person for there give me 2 straw.
For couple?
Yeah. I don't know. Thank you.
I like this tea. Earl Grey. You like it?
Yeah. Because in my hotel we have so many tea free for the guests.
Free for the guests.
So many kind for the guests they can choose.
In this time, when I choose the hotel,
Yeah.
I sold a lot of hotel.
Yeah.
Hotel fee was like a $300 per night.
Yeah.
Some good hotel.
Yeah.
$300
Yeah.
per night.
Yeah.
And I also checked the Airbnb. You know Airbnb?
Yeah.
Yeah. Many high quality apartments.
Yeah.
But they are like $100 per night.
Yeah.
So I booked the Airbnb. I didn't book the hotel.
Yeah.
Because they are really high quality,
Yeah.
but it's cheap.
Yeah.
But Vietnam hotel, they are a little bit expensive, maybe I think.
Expensive.
Yeah.
Because we know we are have the price we will put with the tax. With the tax. Yeah.
tax,
50%.
50% tax. 베트남에는 모든 가격에 15%의 텍스가 포함되어 있대요. They say you speak English fluently.
Thank you so much.
What do you think about Korean guys?
I don't know.
You don't know?
I don't
Have you
know.
ever met Korean guy before?
Yes, so many people. Because
So-
I work
Yeah,
in
yeah,
the
you
hotel
work
and
in
there's
hotel.
so many guys.
Oh.
But we are talking about the room, how about
Yeah.
that.
You don't have a Korean friend?
Yeah, I don't have. Yeah,
Oh,
I don't
really?
have. Yeah, really.
I also don't have Vietnamese friend.
You don't have.
First friend. Okay?
Wow. Yeah.
First friend.
Nice to meet you.
First Korean friend and first Vietnamese friend.
Yeah.
Okay? 야, 첫 베트남 친구. 24살. 24살이면 몇 년생이지? When did you born? 1996? You
What?
born in 1996? 1995?
1993.
1993. 아니야, 한국 나이로 따지면 안 돼. 1993년생이야. 1993. You are same age with my younger brother.
Yeah.
Yeah. Same age, same.
The same age.
Yeah.
We are friends.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, we are friends.
93년생이야. How do I look? You guess?
I guess you around 29 or 30.
29 or 30?
Is that right?
Similar.
Similar. 28. 32. Sorry, I don't know.
31.
31.
31.
Okay.
I older than you 7 years.
Oh, yeah.
7 years.
But you look so young
Oh, really?
than your age. Yeah.
Thank you.
I think you about 28 or 29.
28 or
Yeah,
29?
yeah.
Thank you. 젊어 보인대. 젊어 보인대. 나 이런 거 언제든지 들어도 난 기분이 좋아.
They are guess you 22.
Yeah. Some people guess you. In Korean age, we have different age. My international age is 31. But in Korea, 32.
Yeah,
Different.
the same in Vietnam.
Oh, really?
Yeah. For the Western, we will maybe I'm 25,
Oh.
but in Vietnam 24.
Ah, really?
Yeah.
여기도 약간 나이를 한국처럼
The same,
계산한다네?
the same,
Same.
the same.
똑같네. You work every day?
Not at all. 1 week we will 1 day off.
1 week only 1 day off?
And 1 month we will 1 day off too. So 1 month we will have 4 day off and 1 day off too. Yeah,
Total 5 day off.
5 day off.
와, 진짜 빡시게 일한다.
And when we're working in sometimes like festival or some special day, we have 2 day off. If
You
we're
have 2 day off.
Yeah.
잠깐만, 그러니까 주 6일 근무제네. 그러니까 맞네. You know, in Korea, almost we take break like 1 week for 2 days, 2 day off.
2 day off.
물론 뭐 우리가 야근은 뭐 자발적으로 하는 거고, 뭐 주말에도 출근을 하긴 하지만, 와, 나 you every week day off day is different.
We will choose. We will choose. This day we want to have the day off. We will choose Monday, Thursday, Wednesday, or in the weekend. It's okay. We will.
You have to choose.
Yeah, we will choose. We will ask. We will request with my manager how to arrange or plan.
이 친구. 건배.
Yeah.
Cheers. Why you don't drink? You don't like it?
Because I drink with my friends so much now, just a little bit.
다소하고 괜찮은데 뭔가? 하루 선택해서 쉰대요. 맞아요. 유학은 안 했답니다. 그냥 베트남에서 공부를 했대요. When did you have day off? When?
Yesterday. I think this week, yesterday.
Yesterday you day off.
Yeah. And today I work in the morning, so in the evening I have free time to meet my friends. Yeah, something like that.
I stay here for 2 weeks.
2 weeks.
Yeah, it's a long time. If you have time, we can hang out together.
It's okay.
It's okay?
Maybe next week.
Next week.
Yeah.
next week. next week 좋지. 다음 주에 같이 놀러 가면 되잖아. 괜찮잖아. Do you work tomorrow?
Yeah. I will work in the evening tomorrow.
Work at evening.
Yeah.
그러면 이 친구랑 술 한잔 해도 될 것 같은데? You work at the evening.
Yeah.
So-
Evening is mean start my work from 2 p.m.
2 p.m.
Till 10 p.m.
2 p.m. to 10 p.m.
Yeah,
8 hours. 8 hours.
If I work in the morning, I will start from 6 a.m. to
6 a.m.
2 p.m.
to 2 p.m.
Yeah, 8 hours every day.
8 hours every day. 그러니까 아침에 일할 때는 6시부터 오후 2시까지 일하고, 오후에 일할 때는 오후 2시부터 10시까지 일하고, 하루에 8시간을 일을 한대. 막 그렇게 막 살인적인 스케줄은 아니네.
They say you go to Bitexco Tower. Do you know?
Yeah, Big Texaco Tower.
Yeah, 68 story. Yeah.
I went to Big Texaco Tower.
Yeah, up to 49th floor.
49?
49th floor. You
No,
will,
I remember it was
you will buy the
54.
ticket.
54.
54?
Yeah, 54
Yeah, you
floor.
will buy the ticket. After that, you will up to 49th floor for have the city view. Yeah. You need to buy the ticket.
Buy ticket.
Yeah.
I went to the bar, rooftop bar.
You have the rooftop
Yeah.
yeah, because there are some tourists, they buy the ticket and up to 49th floor. Yeah, to see the city view. Yeah.
이 친구도 말 되게 조근조근하게 잘한다. 그러니까 저쪽에 비텍스코? 비텍스코?
Yeah, Bitexco Tower.
비테코 타워라고 있거든요. 비테코 타워에 거기 가면 이제 야경을 볼 수 있어요. 전체 경치를 아주 예쁘게 볼 수 있어요. 그래가지고 거기 가봤냐라고 물어봤는데, 근데 거기 갔다. 거기 스카이바에 갔는데 이 친구가 하는 말은 거기 49층 가면 거기는 완전히 이제 그냥 관망대래. 티켓 끊고 들어가면 된대. You don't feel hungry now?
No.
It's okay?
Yeah.
Yeah. 그러면 뭐, so you don't work in the morning tomorrow, right?
Yeah.
그러면 어디 가자 할까? 그럼 어디 가서 한잔 하자 할까? Do you know any good place?
Good place.
Good place. Like this time, we can go. Like kind of good place
For what?
for
Interview or something you want to interview someone?
no. For like you and me can eat something or drink something or like that.
In the morning?
No, in the
Because-
morning.
Yeah, because in the evening I'm busy with my work.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
I mean now.
Now.
Yeah.
We're good place. Because I'm full.
아, you full.
Yeah.
아, you full. 배가 부르대. 지금 계속 부르대.
Yeah.
Or we can drink something.
Spring.
Drink?
yeah.
Do you know any good place?
Good place.
I hear that here are so many nice sky bar here.
Yeah, nice bar.
Yeah, sky bar.
Yeah. You want to go to Sky Bar?
Sky bar?
Here, so quiet. You want to go to somewhere noisy?
아,
It's so noisy.
noisy.
Yeah.
It's
because
really
they
noisy.
will dance
Ah.
and talking and loud music.
Ah.
Yeah, we can talking.
We cannot talk there.
Yeah. We can
Ah.
talk each other.
You like dance?
Not too much.
Not too much?
Because I don't know how to dance.
you don't know?
I don't know.
내일은 오전에 일을 안 하니까 장만. 그냥 친구를 만들 수 있잖아. 난 그냥 좀 친해지고 싶어가지고 좀 술을 뭐 한 잔 해볼까 했지. 친해지고 싶어서.
No, I don't have. Not yet.
Some people ask you have boyfriend?
Not yet.
Not yet?
Yeah.
Huh?
You see?
Me too. I'm single too.
Okay.
Give me a five.
Yeah. Five.
편하네. 많이 편하네. 남친구 없다고 하니까 많이 편하네. What is your ideal type? What is your ideal type? What kind of guy you like?
I don't know. I don't have idea for any guy. Just some people they are sociable, good man, something like that. It means the man who can take care of everybody, understand.
Take care of family?
Yeah, take care of family, take care of their friend. Yeah, like that. It means warm, not cold. I don't like
warm.
cool boy or cold. Like that.
그러니까 따뜻한 남자. 그러니까 베트남 여자들은 무조건 1순위가 이거야. 책임감 있는 남자. 얼마나 베트남 애들이 책임감이 없었으면 첫 번째 조건이 무조건 이거야. 책임감이 있는 남자.
Funny guy.
가족을 책임질 수 있는 남자. 이게 무조건 첫 번째. 그리고 주위 사람들을 잘 돌봐주는 남자, 마음이 따뜻한 남자. What about the looking? Face?
Not pretty, just something normal, just normal.
Just normal face is okay?
Yeah, I don't like model or something like that. Movie star. No, just normal man.
Just normal man?
Yeah.
그냥 일반적인 사람 좋아한다는데?
Because now there is so many men, they have so pretty face, they're so handsome, but they are not good.
Not good?
Yeah,
Why not good?
They are cheating.
Ah,
women.
they're cheating now.
Yeah, not good.
바람 피고 안 좋대, 걔네들은.
Just normal boy is okay.
잘생긴 애들은 바람 피고 별로 안 좋대. 그렇구나. Do you have any suggestion about the Vietnamese food? I like food.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Can you tell me this food you must try like that?
Yeah, in Vietnam we are famous with phở. Do you like
Phở?
Yeah,
Phở.
bánh mì. Bánh mì.
Bánh mì,
Yeah,
bánh mì.
bánh mì. Phở.
Phở.
Some spring roll. Spring roll.
Spring roll.
Yeah. So many because we are three, north, middle, and the south of Vietnam. I live in the south.
South.
Yeah, so many local food.
So many local food.
Yeah. So I will introduce you somewhere you can get a local food. Do you know Bến Thành Market?
choose one day, we go together.
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 Oh, it's okay.
Choose one day,
Yeah.
we go together. Really?
Okay. I will show you because I'm tour guide.
Oh, that's great. I'll buy you a lot of delicious food.
Yeah.
Okay?
Somewhere in District 1, I think so. In winter market, I see so many local food. Behind they have the street market. Yeah. There's so many things local food.
Local food.
Yeah, you can do anything.
그날, 그러니까 다음 주에 하루는 우리 같이 가자 하니까 이 친구가 하루 가이드를 해주겠대. 하루 가이드를 해주겠대. 어떻게 해야 이게 좀 풀릴까? 아직은 좀 많이 경계하는 것 같지, 그치? 어떻게 이게 좀 풀리지? And,
Xin chào. They say xin chào.
신차오.
안녕하세요.
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 신차오. 깜만.
저는 베트남입니다.
저는 베트남 사람입니다.
저는 베트남 사람입니다.
야, 이거 언어적으로 있네. 야, 이거 언어적으로 살짝 이게 있어. I think you are good at learning English, I think.
고마워요.
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 고마워요. 발음 좋아. 안녕.
안녕.
사랑해?
No. 사랑해 is mean I love you.
Yeah.
So
사랑해.
사랑해.
I'm teaching you.
Yeah. I know.
Why you say no? I'm teaching you.
Yes.
사랑해 means I love you.
I know. Yeah.
Can you say? 사랑해?
사랑해. 사랑해.
경계가 심한데.
사랑해 한국.
사랑해 한국.
사랑해 한국.
한국.
안녕 한국.
안녕 한국.
안녕 한국.
근데 잘한다. 응용을 되게 잘하네. Like 맛있어.
Yeah.
맛있어. Do you know?
No.
맛있어 means delicious.
Delicious.
맛있어. How to say in Vietnam?
Ngon. Ngon. N-C-O-N. Ngon.
Non.
Yeah.
Non.
Delicious.
Non. Delicious.
Yeah.
Non. How to say this is delicious? This delicious.
You can say ngon. It's okay because there are so many words in code. If you want to show how you love it, it's so many things. Yeah, you can say ngon.
Non. Non. When I eat this,
Ngon.
non.
Yeah.
Non.
How about you say it in Korea?
맛있어.
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 맛있어. How to say together? Together.
Cùng nhau. Cùng nhau.
cùng nhau.
Yeah. Cùng nhau.
cùng nhau.
Yeah. Cùng nhau.
cùng nhau means together.
Yeah.
어.
Cùng nhau. How about to say it in Korea?
같이.
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 발음이 좋아.
같이.
Your pronunciation good.
같이.
같이.
맛있어.
맛있어.
같이.
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 같이. Let's go together. How to say? How to say let's go together?
Đi cùng. Đi cùng.
리 cùng.
Cùng đi, cùng đi, đi cùng. It's okay. Cùng đi.
cùng 리.
Cùng đi.
cùng 리.
Yeah.
cùng 리.
Yeah. Let's go.
cùng 리.
Cùng đi.
cùng 리. Let's go together.
Yeah.
cùng 리.
Cùng đi.
cùng 리.
Cùng đi. Đi, đi. đi.
cùng đi.
Yeah.
cùng đi.
Yeah.
cùng đi, 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 đi. A, B, C, D 할 때 D.
Yeah, D.
cùng đi.
Cùng đi.
cùng đi.
Yeah.
cùng đi. cùng đi. cùng đi. In Korea. 같이 가자. 같이 together. 가자. Go.
가자.
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 같이 가자.
같이 가자. 같이 가자.
같이 가자.
같이
야,
가자.
빨리 배우는데? You are learning so fast.
Huh?
You are learning so fast.
Yeah, I'm learning so fast. When I listen somebody, they are speak their language, I can remember. And the next time they come back, I will say with them. Sometimes I learn about some. How are you? Thank you. Goodbye. Hello. On the language, when they come back, I will say like that with them. Yeah. I will write on the paper how to pronunciate. I remember.
그러니까 이 호텔에서 일을 하니까 사람들을 많이 만나잖아. 만나가지고 그걸 다 적어놨다가 사람이 오면 또 그걸 써먹는데 써먹는 게 제일 중요한 겁니다. 언어 배우는 데는 써먹어야 돼.